Ready? Start. The economic philosophy of a business organization in a country has to be judged by its relevance to the time and the environment in which it operates. The requirements of the situation a given time have got to be taken into account by any organization so as to make its policies more relevant and realistic. Since the cooperative institutions in this country have come to stay at forceful economic institutions, the time has come to see para the significance of cooperatives as ideal institutions to bring socio-economic change has been released all over the world. The success of cooperative movement in most advanced and developed countries is very well known. It has become an important sector in the national economy of this country, and the weaknesses of the capitalism model and the limitation to the economy, a strong plea was made to develop the economy in Afro-Asian region on the cooperative model. In the beginning, the cooperative philosophy after the came of the reaction to the competitive condition, which was the maximum government interference, many problems came up. The exploration of the weak by the strong became a significant feature of the competitive model. The survival of the fittest was the essence of capitalism. In this system, the interests of the worker were completely neglected. The workers were treated merely as an input like any in the business organization, and they were supposed to have nothing to do with the producer. Further, when this competitive model grew in its final phase, which was by the existing of big business monopolies, the interests of the consumers were also ignored in the model. The consumer was completely at the mercy of the tycoons. Consumer is a king of a competitive economy, become a mouth. Thus, in the final stage of a competitive model, both the interests of the workers and the consumer, which are the significant component of the economy, were undermined. Para. Thus, the essence of the problem in a competitive model of the economic development was how to safeguard the interests of the worker and the consumer, how to develop a model to protect the interests of the workers and the consumer was the basis of the problem. Therefore, it should be that in this condition, if it all any model is the problem, therefore it should be that in conditions it's a beyond to a corrective model. It's what thought that if profits are the workers and consumer will be automatically benefited as they will get them the more share in the gains of produce in the industry. Unfortunately, this logic executive the profit to the explanation. Thus, in a corrective model, the concept of profit and become a significance of cooperative model of the economic development. The significance of the consumer of the safeguarding to the government force was totally neglected. Full stop.